Welcome to Intramuros. Hello everyone, Miss Red here. Another day, another laag. But before tumulaag kay magkasisat ta. Sige, shout out.
Shout naman dyan.
Shout
Shout
out.
out naman dyan. From Barangay Bathhouse, Block 15, Lot 8.
Anong igana? Gana din ang shout out. Oh, man na no? Okay na tanong. Yagi, kuha na ako inyong mga picture nga makita mo sa mga video. So makita naman sa akong
Queen
video.
and Miss pa. Shout out si Queen. Barangay Basta, Compostela, Cebu.
Yeah. Pagamping mo ha. Today, we will have a walking tour at Leghvtakhevi Area and we will experience the famous Sulfur bath. Let's go! I honestly don't know how to pronounce the name of the place, so I asked a new friend, Amo.
Leghvtakhevi. Leghvtakhevi.
Thank you, Amo.
Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that.
Leghvtakhevi is located in the tourist zone in Tbilisi, where there's Abanotubani, which means the place of bats. There are lots of sulfur bats around here, and they're pretty old. That's why many people visit it to see the natural bats.
Hey, what you talking about? There ain't nothing like the real thing.
In this area, the smell of sulfur is just almost everywhere. However, the smell is not disturbing at all, if you ask me. There's this white color of sulfur around the places too, and the water here is pretty much warm because of the sulfur waters coming from beneath. When you walk past the bats and you walk towards Leghvtakhevi, you will walk through several cafes, bridges on the river, there's even a love bridge and some local carolers who will serenade you. Mind you, kaila sila nga Filipina ko.
Oh, I said, babe, you got me running around. Too many close calls and false alarms. Would you leave? There's another outcome. Where'd we'd end up in each other's arms? Would you follow all along, knowing where we'd end up from? Oh, I'm talking about the real thing. Our names together have a nice ring. So I'm talking about the real thing. Our names together have a nice ring. Hey, well, let's get away.
And then you will see the waterfall just at the end of the pathway. It's the Tbilisi River waterfall falling down from the Tbilisi Botanical Garden, and it is a very nice thing to see. The place is just very beautiful, and you will be surprised to see a waterfall there just beside the old buildings and bathhouses.
I'm lost in the universe. 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 I'm lost in the universe.
The next day.
Sulfur bath. The sulfur bath is a must-do when you're in the city, especially if you're in Tbilisi in October to March when it's much colder. But let's start at the beginning. Many years ago, the King of Georgia discovered the sulfur springs when he was out hunting with his eagle. He promptly decided to build a city surrounding them, and so Tbilisi, or warm place, was born. These days, the Sulfur Springs are somewhat of a tourist attraction, and many people would visit daily for a soak, scrub, and traditional massage beneath the dome roofs. If you're a fan of sulfur baths, Tbilisi is a great place to get your fix. We are now here at the Orbeliani Bathhouse. This is really the most beautiful bathhouse around the area. You wouldn't thought that it is a bathhouse because of its mosque-like
I
exterior.
am floating in a capsule high above the universe, and I think that I'd rather be floating here with you.
What are the benefits of sulfur baths? Besides being incredibly relaxing and making you feel toasty on a cold day, sulfur baths are also believed to treat skin problems such as eczema and dry scalp. They are also said to help with arthritic joints, digestion problems, and even insomnia. Now, let's experience the sulfur bath.
Make them come to you. Oh, I know they never really thought about it. I know I gotta make them all about it. Gotta make them come to you. Oh, say less, I'ma have to show me what I do. On my way, make them come to you. Oh, I know they never really thought about it. I know I gotta make them all about it. Gotta make them come to you. Oh, say less, I'ma have to show.
I'm lost in the universe. 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 Singing, I don't know if this is where I belong. Singing, I am lost in this blue galaxy without you. Hey, whoa, yeah, I am lost in this blue galaxy without you. Oh, yeah, I am lost in this blue galaxy without you. Now I have never been this far from you. I've never been so scared. I have only